Hello and welcome back to this course. In our previous videos, we have discussed about the queue and the priority queue, DQ and array DQ. And in this video, we will discuss about the set interface. Now, set interface is the child interface of the collection interface basically, and it is one of the most important interface in the collection framework. So, without wasting our time, let's see what is a set interface in Java framework. So these are some important points about the set interface that you have to keep in your mind. First of all, set is an interface which extends collection. We know that set interface extends the collection interface. It is unordered collection of objects in which duplicate values cannot be stored. Now the elements added in it are unordered and you cannot add duplicate values in the set. Second point, basically set is implemented by hash set, linked hash set and tree set. Now hash set, linked hash set and tree set are the classes that implements the set interface, and we will discuss about these three classes, hash set, linked hash set and tree set, in our next videos. So basically these are the implementations that has implements the set interface. Third point, set has various methods to add, remove, clear, size, etc. To enhance the usage of this interface. Now there are some methods that are present in this set interface that we can use to add, remove or clear our elements from a set basically. So these are the methods. First of all, add method, we know about this method which help us to add object in the collection. Second, we have the clear method. This method help us to remove all the objects from the collection. Whenever we want to empty or remove our collection, we will use the clear method, and for this we will use this clear method in our set interface basically. And third, we have the contains method. Returns true if a specified object is an element within the collection basically. So this method help us to compare, to check that a particular element is present in that collection or not. For example, we have a set of 10 numbers, and these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and we want to check that whether 5 is present or not in this collection. So we pass 5 in the arguments of the contains method. It will return true or false. If that element is present in that collection, we will get true, otherwise we will get false. So basically contains method help us to check that this element is present in this collection or not. After that, we have the isEmpty method. This method returns true if the collection has no element. Now for example, if you want to check that this collection contains element or not, we will use this isEmpty method that will return true if there is nothing in this collection, and if there are some elements in the set interface, in the set or collection, we will get false. After that, we have the iterator. We are using iterator in our previous videos. Iterator is also present in the set interface. Returns an iterator object for the collection which may be used to retrieve an object. Basically, iterator methods help us to traverse through the set basically. After that, we have the remove method. Now this method removes a specified object from the collection. For example, we have a set of 5 strings in which we have the name of different animals like cat, dog, cow, lion, tiger, etc. And now if I want to remove cat from the set, then I just pass the cat in the arguments of this remove method, and the cat will be removed from that set. After that, we have the size method. Returns the number of the elements in the collection. Now if we want to know the size of that collection, we use the size method. For example, there are 15 elements in a collection or set, then we will call this size method, and this size method will returns us the number of elements that are present in the collection. And if there are 15 elements, then we get 15. If there are 20 elements, then we will get 20 as the size, and it will return the integer type value, and we store that in our separate variable, or we can use it in different purposes in our program basically. So these are the methods that are present in the set interface. Basically, there are 3 points about the set interface that you have to keep in your mind. That duplicate values are not allowed in set interface. It is also unordered collection of object, means elements in the set are not ordered. So I hope that you understand about the set interface, and we will write our code in our next video when we'll discuss about the hash set, which is the class that has implements the set interface, so that we have better understanding with how sets and hash set work in our Java or collection framework basically. So anyhow, if you feel any problem while understanding any basically video of this collection framework, you can definitely ask me a question. I will explain that for you, and never ever hesitate to ask me a question. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video in which we'll discuss about the hash set.